Employment and Education. Presented by Legrand.
My name is Hadila. I'm working on IT technology in UCL Odense. Learning the students the principle of project management, how to implement these principles in this project to achieve the best results make me motivated. Our project works with different IoT, Internet for Thinking projects with data center. One of these projects was measuring of temperature and humidity, and another project was of security system. I believe that we will win because our work with Internet of Thinking makes difference in relation to security, controlling, and economy. Our project with Data Center Challenge with a focus on simple and creation solution.
My name is Jens Færgemand and I'm rector at Fredericia Maskinmesterskolen, which is a maritime and technical education. A data center is exactly the same as a ship, it's just loaded with servers, and that makes the education a perfect match for the data center industry. I think we are nominated because that what we are doing with all our technical equipment, which we can combine into a control room management system, and that's not seen anywhere else in the world. And also another part of the training we do is the human behavior training. If you have a failure, then you are in a very stressed position. Then you need to be aware and have the training to know what to do. I think we should win because we have the best equipment. We are working very closely together with the industry. They are pretty much giving us the good ideas how to build up education which is ahead of time and keeps pace with the time.
My name is Arne Nielsen. I'm Business Development Manager in Data Center Group and Vice Chair in the Danish Data Center Organization and Chair for Skills and Education in the organization. I love to do something for the youngster to be educated into the industry because the industry need a lot of people to manage all the data that we will put into the data center industry today and in all the data centers. I think I'm nominated because I'm the only person that's doing this. So I'm the driver for all the students and make things happen with the business and the school and raise money and so on to make the best facility for the students. And in Data Center Group, we have made a choice to make education as a strategic choice for ourselves and for the business as a whole.